Okay, so here's a nice simple formula for beginners. We're going to do a red berry lip scrub. So here's the formula. We're going to do a 20-gram batch, and first we need jojoba oil, 15% or 3 grams. It's an emollient known to nourish and heal dry lips, which makes it especially good for a lip scrub. Then we need shea butter, 8% or 1.6 grams. It's an emollient and occlusive, so it helps to form a barrier to retain moisture. Then for our oils, I've first chosen castor oil because it's a humectant and it helps to retain moisture, promoting hydration. We're using 7% or 1.4 grams. Then I've chosen sweet almond oil. Again, it's an emollient, it's extremely moisturising, and it also helps to rejuvenate dead skin cells and prevent chapped lips. Again, we're using 7% or 1.4 grams. Then for a bit of colour, we're adding mica colour. I think I used ruby red from our mica selection. Use up to 0.5%, 0.1 grams. It won't stain the skin at that level, or you can omit it entirely if you prefer just a natural looking lip scrub. Then we want some flavour oil for both flavour and scent. This is a food grade red fruit flavour oil. We're using 1.5% or 0.3 grams. Then, as with all anhydrous products, we're using vitamin E, 1% or 0.2 grams. It's an antioxidant that prevents the oils from rancidity whilst promoting cell regeneration and softening the lips. Then our final ingredient that makes it a lip scrub is obviously the exfoliating component, which is granulated sugar, and we're using 60% or 12 grams. You can use more if you want. It depends on how wet or dry you like your scrubs. So first thing we need to do is add all of our oils and the shea butter to one beaker, because we're going to need to melt that together in a bain-marie water bath or heat plate. So I'm using a water bath. I've got about 2 inches of water, and we just need to stir that until the shea butter melts into the oils. It only takes seconds. Take off the heat once it's melted, and you're ready to move to the next stage. Add your mica colour if you're using it and give it a good stir. Once your mixture's cooled down to 40 degrees C, you can add your temperature sensitive ingredients such as your flavour oil and your vitamin E. Add them and then give it a good stir. Then, while it's still liquid but not too hot, you can pour it into your sugar and keep mixing until you get the consistency you want. If you want it a bit drier, just add more sugar. Then you just need to pop it into your containers of choice. It should last around 12 months, but obviously do your own stability tests. I've got some other recipes that you might like on our YouTube channel. If you want some more advanced recipes, then I recommend checking out our Patreon, which is linked below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video.